So here we are solving problems simultaneously. We are going to be solving problems simultaneously. And then this is basically what we call coding. What Dennis needs to understand about coding is it's not something that you cram. You will see it automatically. It will happen on its own. So what we have to know is that I'm either dealing with an arithmetic or a geometric. I can be dealing with an arithmetic and a geometric. And then sometimes it can also be quadratic. Yeah? So here, if you look at the following example, they say the sum of the first 12 terms, of an arithmetic, so they are saying, go and use the arithmetic formula. So what is the arithmetic formula? I'm going to tell them which Sn is given as n all over 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by 1 by d. So I have the sum of the first 12 terms. Now this is also worth noting, because if they say the sum of the first 3 terms, you don't have to do it this way. If it's the sum of the first 3 terms, you don't have to do it this way. You can tell them this. If I say to you the sum of the first 4 terms, you can tell us which term number 1 plus term number 2 plus term number 3 plus term number 4 is going to be equal to 96. Let's say they said the sum of the first 4 terms is equal to 96. You can do it that way. Term number 1 plus term number 2 plus term number 3 plus term number 4. Now, if I had to do it that way, this one, I needed to say term number 1 plus term number 2 plus term number 3 plus dot 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 up until I get to term number 12. This is 96, which is going to take me forever. That is why I ended up using the formula of saying the sum of the first 12 terms is equaling to using this one, yeah, Sn. Now, from the formula, how then do what do I do from here? I am going to tell them which, instead of n here, they told me which is the sum of the first 12 terms. Yeah? So in other words, what is it that they were giving me here? They were giving me S12. What is S12? The sum of the first 12 terms is what? It's 96. So everywhere I see n, what am I going to put my 12? Why am I doing that? It's because I know what is S12. S12 is what? It's 96. So I'll come and have something like this. S12, everywhere I see n, I put 12, which is going to give me, you will understand, should I put 6 already? Or should I put 12 first? So it's 12 all over 2, open bracket, it's 2a plus, it's 12 minus 1 multiplied by 1 by d. Now we know what is S12. Instead of S12, I can put something, right? What is S12? 96. So I'll put 96 here. And then if I say this one and this one, it gives me what? 6. Open bracket, it says 2a. No? Yes. And then here you have 12 minus 1. What is 12 minus 1? 11. Yeah, then you're going to get plus 11d. That one? Yes. And then you can come and say this how it's going to be equation number 1. You get it from the statement that says the sum of the first 12 terms is equal to this. So that's what we call coding. You took that English and then you put it into a geometric formula, or you can put it in an arithmetic formula. So we are done coding the first one. Yes. Now let's code the second statement. The third term and the sixth term, they add up to 12. Now I'm not adding consecutive terms here. I'm not adding consecutive terms. It's the third term and the sixth term. Yes. So I'm going to add them up, and when I add them up, they are going to give me what? 12. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to first find term number 3. Yes. Now, what kind of a sequence is this one? What kind of a series is this one? We said it's an arithmetic. So the general term that I have for an arithmetic, it's a plus n minus 1 multiplied by 1 by d. Now, what am I going to put here? Instead of n, I'm going to put 3, which is the third term. Yes. So what is going to be the third term? It says everywhere you see n, put 3. Yes. Then you will have a plus 3 minus 1 d. And then look what you get here. You get a plus 2d. You will see that if it's term number 3, you get 2d. Look at this one here. I think you get 12. Yes. If you had 12, you get 11d. So it's something that you will start to notice as time goes on. Yes. Let's look at what term number 6. What is going to be term number 6? Term number 6 is going to be given by a plus 5d. I think we already understand that. Yes. How did I get that one? Everywhere I see n, I put 6. Okay? And then it says 6 minus 1. What is 6 minus 1? 5. Yeah. Now they say if I add this one and this one, they're supposed to give me 12. Meaning a plus 5d plus A plus 2D. This is going to be equal to what? 12. I will call this one equation number 1, and then I'll call this one equation number 2. Now, here are there any like terms? Do you see any like terms? What are the like terms? A. So you get 2A plus 70 is going to be equal to what? 12. Now, from equation number 2, I can create equation number 3. From equation number 2, we can create equation number 3. So how do we do that? We can either make A the subject or we can make D the subject. Which one should we make? A or D? A. Okay, from 2, we are going to create 3. So we're going to have 2A, which is going to be 12 minus 7D. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. It says A is going to be divided as 6 minus 7 all over 2 what? D. Now we're going to sub 3. Yeah, we call this one equation number 3. We're going to sub equation number 3 into 1. So what are you going to have, man? We're going to have 96. You can always simplify this a little bit better. This one multiplied by this one, which is us 12A. But now we know what is A. What is A?
6 minus.
So this is going to be 12 multiplied by, you have 6 minus 7
over 2D.
2D. That is
Yes.
plus. If you say 6 multiplied by 11, what do you get? 66D.
Yes.
Then you're going to have 96, which is going to be this one multiplied by this one. Take 12 multiplied by 6.
36.
Huh?
36.
6.
36.
6 multiplied by this one. 72. This one multiplied by this one.
72.
Minus 12 multiplied by 7 minus 7 all over 2. What do you get? 42D.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. 42D plus 66D.
Yes.
This one and this one, they are like terms. Yes.
Yes.
Huh? And then you take this one to this other side. It says 96 minus 72.
Yes.
This one and this one.
108.
I don't understand the other one's positive. Yeah? So, divide by 24. Divide by 24. What you get as a D? 96 minus 72 divided by 4. Divided by 24. Huh?
It's 1.
It's 1.
Yes.
Yeah, then you can come and say what is your A? Your A is going to be equal to 6 minus 7 all over 2 multiplied by 1. What do you get for that
5
one?
all over 2.
Yeah?
5 all over 2.
It's 5 all over 2.
Yes.
Yeah, and then you officially done. We're going to do activity 13.
Yes.